This tutorial will show you how quick and easy it is to get a great application using lacquer strips. Step 1. Prep your nails. Make sure not to use lotion or cuticle oil before applying. Gently push back your cuticles. Lightly buff and shape your nails. And then clean your nails and fingers with a prep wipe. Open the sleeve the nail wraps are in. Make sure not to open them until you're ready to apply. Notice there are 2 sleeves with 10 different sizes on each. Step 2. Select the size that best fits your nail. Notice the width of the top and bottom of the strips are slightly different. After selecting the proper size, peel back the protective clear film and remove the nail strip from the backing by pulling on the silver tab. Step 3. Apply the lacquer strip. Center the nail strip at the base of the nail near the cuticle, then apply pressure up the nail, stretching over the tip and smoothing out the sides. Step 4. Remove the excess. Gently remove the excess lacquer strip with a fine grit file using a downward motion.